When Mereway approached us on this project, we were kind of surprised, to be honest, the fact that such a large kitchen manufacturer would consider offering such a bespoke option from a heavily crafted business like ourselves. Working with their carcassing for us to come up with a concept or an idea which we can slot into their carcasses and draw sets using nice materials and nice finishes and that kind of thing.
Need to make sure that we put some details in that show that it's not factory produced, and you can really get the handcrafted element of it.
In terms of choosing materials for this project, we're very strict in terms of where the materials come from, for one, so we always make sure that we use FSC certified timbers. And in this case we've gone for a European oak, which is a lovely timber, and it tends to work well with most colourways and palettes and other materials.
The idea of the magnetic divides, but we kind of need to make sure we've got a solid solution for actually making it work.
Making it strong enough.
And you don't really want a steel or like a visible steel bottom to your tray.
I think we could come up with a solution to veneer a metal base, so you've only got a veneer's thickness between the divide and the metal base itself.
Working with Mereway is a great fit in the fact that we've been able to offer a truly bespoke product to a wider audience. Mereway is a business that truly appreciates quality and good craftsmanship.